Yo, I'm like an addict.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. I really appreciate it, guys. Welcome to another interesting vlog. From the title of this video, you already know what we're about to do, right? Okay, let's go for car hunting. My friends are waiting for me. Yeah, I'll see you guys when we get there. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you are new, and yeah, leave your comments at the comment section. Okay, let's go.
Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Mascot money. See my day. Yeah. We are going to the Akpe. No, we are going to that side. The first bank.
I got cuts real deep in bruises scarred. I had to learn how to think with my head not hard. I'm being chewed up, spit out, torn apart. But picking up all the pieces is a form of art. Never gonna look back. Damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Guys, we are just getting to Ibadan now. Yeah, we want to check. What's the name of this place again? I don't know. Okay, just beside AP filling station.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
I'm not sure we are going for this. I don't like it. It's not neat enough. I want something like new, but it's in form of tokubo. You get it? No. So now we are heading to another car mat around Bastion. Actually, it was a friend that asked us to go to the place. Probably we're gonna get one. So let's go.
I don't have to plan it. I can go change my fate. You won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them. They don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more. Take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance. My last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Actually, this car lot gave my friend his preference. After checking the car, we asked for the price and we tried to negotiate. But yeah, he didn't get the car eventually because of surge in price due to rise in dollar rates and importation, or is it custom duty like they said. So we decided to check the other car lots just right beside the car lots we went into if there will be difference in price, but to our surprise nothing actually changed. Then we decided to reach out to another car dealer and he confirmed that price of cars has shot up. Anyway, now we're on our way to Ring Road area. As you all know that Ring Road is one of the places where you can get foreign used cars. So you guys, we are just getting to another car lot, okay? So we are around Ring Road now. Yakub, this thing fits you, die. Just transfer. That's all.
Mọ́tò tí wọ́n jọ jẹ́ gẹ́gẹ́ mo ti tàbá òun nìkan náà lò òun Mazda Sienna Corolla wà nù òwe yẹn but choice yín ni tó bá jẹ́ ẹ̀rẹ́fẹ́ fàlẹ́bàjẹ́ yìí náà the same engine and JRBC everything perfect drive perfect.
Okay, so to be very honest, getting a foreign used car in Nigeria is not easy as it used to be. You know, sometimes ago, if you have 1 million to 3 million naira, you will get a very good used foreign used car. But now everything is just freaking expensive.
Ọkọ̀ ni. Ọkọ̀ ayọ́kẹ́lẹ́.
So you guys, we are testing the car. We, the chair. Now we didn't buy this thing. So we just have to sit here because we don't want to drive, you understand? So these are our drivers. We are trying to test to feel it, you know. I think you get it. So but I'm actually enjoying the ride. Don't see. Oh Lord. So you guys, we had a lovely ride, okay, but the dealer is here to accept our proposed price, okay, so we are still on it. Hopefully he agrees. If he doesn't, I'll be going on. You can see this guy is already tired. Even my base, she's tired. Everybody's tired already. It's not an easy thing, you know, trying to buy a car in Nigeria right now. Go easy, rara. I mean, rara. I will get to that. So you guys, the car dealer has actually agreed to our proposed price and they're already paying. I'm so happy for my friend. You know, one thing is you have to keep clapping for others until it's your turn, you understand? I'm so happy for this, my friend, because he has really worked hard for this and he deserves it. I mean, okay, so he agrees to the proposed price that I said earlier. So this car is for 4 million naira and it's not new, okay? This is Tokumbo, but it's not actually fairly used car. I mean Nigerian used car. This is, I think, UK or US used. Yeah, so I'm so happy. Like, hey, just help me to tell him congratulations at the comment section and leave a prayer. Leave prayers for him. He deserves it, and I mean he deserves our prayer. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Pray for me too. I must buy my own car. I must buy my own car as I be drive where so I'm so happy. When you see me driving, just know that I'm driving this car because now we get this car. All right, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.